Kia ora and welcome.
Are you thinking about tackling the Omanawanui Ridge?
In Omanawanui,
The rumours are true.
the stairs.
You'll face 2,400 relentless steps on this full walk. However, what you earn at the top is one of the most
Spectacular views.
in all of Auckland. To help plan your trip, here's the exact route we'll be taking from the upper car park on Whatipū Road. Straight up the ridge, 241 metre peak. It's a short track, but the elevation gain, woo, it's real. Before you start the climb, a few essentials. The upper track car park trailhead is limited parking, as you can see, and no toilets.
And this is the gravel road that you've got to come up.
Crucially, scrub your gear. Kauri dieback is a serious threat and we need to protect the native taonga.
Oh, rewarded with an actual nice pathway. Oh, if it's like this the whole way, it's going to be a breeze.
Welcome to nature's Stairmaster. This is where the Omanawanui Track earns its reputation. It's steep, it's relentless. Don't worry, you've only got like 2,400 steps ahead. No dramas. Just focus on the reward.
Oh, you can just see something.
Take a quick breather. This isn't the final view, it's your first glimpse of the harbour. A little taste of the panoramic views waiting for you at the summit.
Nah, there's no way you can park over here. I mean, I guess you could park on the side of the road if you wanted to. I wouldn't prefer it. I mean, there's that. So, clean again. And up we go. Puriri. Where's my drunken friend?
Amazing trees there.
Ah, absolutely phenomenal. This is where we're at. Havaganda. So we're going to go up that eventually.
But the views are going to be epic. Just feel sorry for my knees.
Sort of view of the lookout. Still got a long way to go.
Now the trail starts to deliver. You're out of the bush and onto the exposed ridgeline. Look left at the dramatic Manukau Harbour.
Wow, the water's like greeny blue, sparkling. It's like a Bob Ross picture.
But watch your footing, it gets narrow here.
Off track. Woo!
This is why you came.
Stunning. Golly, that's just magnificent. Even though there's bush up here, there's not a canopy, so it's pretty hot.
From the trig station, you get a full 360-degree view.
Coming around to the side. Looking good. Lighthouse. Seems really far inland for something that's supposed to warn ships not to crash.
Okay, were you crazy cats thinking of doing the full Hillary Trail? This Omanawanui section is a keeper. It connects right up to the Puriri Ridge if you want to do the true multi-day hike adventure. You made it. Look out over the Whatipū Beach, the Manukau Heads, and the entire Waitakere ranges. Every single step, I promise, is worth this moment.
Oh, that end. Wowee. We made it.
In my opinion, this is one of Auckland's best hikes.
Here you go. Look at the views that we've worked for. It's Whatipū Beach, caves. Signal track's also down that side.
If you want the full video, check it out on my page. It's uploaded already.
Absolutely spectacular. It's interesting how in the middle there seems to just be wind there. A sandbar.
There's a store, it used to be a port.
I only know alcohol bars. Yeah, there is that ridge walk there.
Yeah, so you go all the way up and down, and eventually you'll get down to the car park.
Yeah. Throughout this whole track, 2,500 stairs. Just a few. All of you guys trying to leg it on a Stairmaster, this is where it's at.
Woo! If this video was helpful, chuck it a like, subscribe to BinkyT for more walks across the beautiful Tamaki Makaurau.